Hello, Mom. Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to recite the anatomical parts of the pig. This is the snout, the head, the ear, the neck, the shoulder, and this part is the jaw. Thorax area, the back, the loin, the rump, and the side. Tail, vulva, hump, dapat lang makanon. Is the hump. Kung hindi ko makanon, dalawa o. Ako na yung stipple joint, ear cup, hole, juco. This is the shield, the tips, the belly, tongue, the elbow, the knee, cannon bone, the pastern, and the foot.